Hi mga ka-guys! So right now is our third day sa 10 days na exercise natin. And alam mo, na-realize ko na ang pagka-curl-ups pala ng 100 is parang goal. Minsan mahihirapan ka pero maiisip mo ba, itutuloy mo ba? Kasi ako nag-iisip, itutuloy ko ba? O hanggang day 2 na lang ako. Pero sige, dapat ituloy natin. So, wait for a while. Mag-change outfit lang tayo. So, change outfit na tayo, guys. Ayan na tayo.
Taong sobrang laki ng pangarap. Sabi kasi nila, libre lang ang mangarap. Mangarap ka hanggang gusto mo. Hanggat kaya mo. Hanggat naniniwala ka na kayang-kaya mong abutin ang lahat ng pangarap mo. Kahit gaano pa kahirap.
Tell me what it takes to get you feeling alive. Tell me how to show you it's a beautiful life. I'll do anything to pull you into the light, 'cause everything will change when you open your eyes. Yeah. So don't you let the sunlight get out without you. Don't you realize how lucky we are? Open up your heart, baby, let it all go tonight. Live your life like you was running out with a light. We gotta scream it out. Breathe it in and feel the rush again. You're not lost, no matter where you've been.
So, yun na nga guys, tapos na tayo mag-jogging ng napakalayo. Ngayon naman is goat na tayo sa curl-ups ng 100. Alright, kaya yaman!
You have to change your mindset. You have to change your routine. You have to cut people out of your life that are dragging you down with them. You have to find that motivation deep down in you and spark that fuse. You have to push harder.
So, ayun na nga mga ka-guys, tapos na tayo mag-curl-ups and mag-jumping rope, diba? Grabe kapagod and finish na yung ang ating third day and see you on my fourth day bukas. And grabe, ang pawis ko. And naalala ko, ako pala ang online hub mamayang 1 AM and see you sa Blessed Sunday tomorrow morning 9 AM. So see you everyone and abangan nyo ang aking pang-apat na araw sa aking 10 days exercise. Yun lang!